All right, so if you guys look here, all these little holes in the ground, get some here. These are the cicadas you guys been hearing about. That's been underground for 17 years. And we got them here, freshly coming out of the ground. Not ready yet, but they're on their way. Call Green Eagle today, so you don't gotta worry about getting swarmed with these guys. Making their way to the surface, we flip this stone over. There's little tubes that they live in. Sorry to wake you guys up early. Their bodies aren't even hard yet. You see the wings on the side trying to grow? These guys are coming. They are coming.